White's rural stock post assembly system comprises two key components. The anchor post is 90 by 90 mm square with unique shark tooth points for easy driving. Made from hot-dipped galvanized steel for a longer service life, it features pre-drilled holes for easy two-way, three-way or four-way setup. The stay assembly includes the 3-meter stay, brace cap and spike, threaded rod and a fireproof base plate. Installation starts by driving the anchor post into your pre-dug hole. Ensure your post is level and plumb. A spirit level is handy at this stage. Once level, secure the soil around the post. Assemble the 3-meter stay attaching the cap and spike. This is a friction fit. Align and insert the spike into the anchor post's top hole. Position the base plate so that the tongue neatly meets the opposite end of the stay. The threaded rod secures the completed end assembly. Insert the rod through the opposite face of the anchor post and draw through towards the base plate. Thread a nut and washer before inserting into the base plate. Thread a washer, then a nut after inserting into the base plate. Tighten for snug fit to the base plate. Handy tip: the threaded rod has squared notches that assist you to get a tighter fit. At the anchor post end, thread a washer, then a nut and complete the tightening process. Finally, finish off with the post cap and the end assembly installation is complete.